Responsive display ads are a flexible and powerful tool when your primary goal is performance. These ads adjust automatically to fit the size, appearance, and format of any ad space, making them an excellent option for marketers who want to reach their audience across different platforms and devices without having to create separate ads for each one. One of the most significant advantages of responsive display ads is their ability to adapt to varying screen sizes, whether it's on a desktop computer, mobile devices, or tablets. This ensures that your ads are always shown in the best possible format, which can help increase engagement and click-through rates. Another key reason to use responsive display ads is that they allow you to reach a wider audience. Since the ads automatically resize and adjust, they can be displayed in a variety of placements across the Google Display Network. This flexibility means your ads will show up on a wide range of websites, apps, and platforms, helping you capture more potential customers. If your goal is to drive performance, especially in terms of conversions or website visits, responsive display ads are the way to go. The ability to automatically adjust to the best performing formats, along with the broader reach, helps improve the overall effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.